Born in 1977 in Pampanga, Central Luzon, Philippines, Don Reich de Dios committed himself to art in the past 3 decades. In 1999, he started practicing visual artistry. He endlessly joined local, national, and international arts exhibitions. He is directly involved in various environmental activities, one of which is Save the Trees Coalition, along with some civic organizations joining the senior artists on their endeavors. In 2012, he became a member of the Board of Directors of the Art Association of the Philippines, or AAP, the oldest existing art organization recognized by the National Commission for Culture and the Art, or NCCA. Two of NCCA's mission is to develop and promote the Filipino national culture and arts, and to preserve Filipino cultural heritage. De Dios sculptures aspire to inspire, disturb, and comfort you in the most artistic way possible, which made him a recognized multi-awarded artist for the past decades. He was one of the youngest awardee of the Most Outstanding Fernandino Award. This award is described as the excellent achievements of local Fernandinos who have shown superiority in their respective fields that benefit and gave pride to the city. His passion did not end in sharing creativity in artwork. Even more, he pursued a master's degree in rural development to enhance his ability to help the local communities. Don Reich travels and reaches out to communities to teach and help children recognize their creativity. Together with AAP, a demonstration in 2011 was started to local communities in Nabuclod, Florida, Pampanga, Central Luzon, which became a series in 2013 and 2014. He also reached out to Sitio Buscalan, Tinglayan, Kalinga Mountain Province to share to the local community. Soon, his outreach activities was followed by CNN Philippines.
Sining ang naging daan niya upang makatulong sa mga Aita. Ang kwento ng kanyang pagtuturo ay kahanga-hanga dahil mahabang oras at panahon ang dapat ilaan bago makarating sa lugar ng ating mga katutubo. Tunghayan ang kwento ni Don de Dios sa ating Pilipino Ako.
Payak na pamumuhay, malayo sa kabihasnan. 2 oras na biyahe mula sa kabisera ng Pampanga ang dapat tahakin bago makapunta sa tila munting paraisong ito, ang barangay Nabuclod sa bayan ng Florida Blanca. Ganito ang karanasan ng visual artist na si Don de Dios sa loob ng 8 taon. Ang dahilan? Upang magsagawa ng workshop sa mga katutubo nating Aita. Natatangi ang hangarin ni Don sa kanyang advokasiyang tila naging playtime na rin ng mga katutubo. At hindi naman katakataka na lumabas nga ang angking galing ng mga Aita. Merong gumawa ng sombrero, headband na may korte pang korona, salamin, bulaklak at maging robot. Sa pagkakataong ito, wire sculpture ang klase ng arte na itinuturo ni Don. Hindi na bago sa art si Don. Taong 1999 nang magsimula ito sa larangan ng arte. Katunayan, naging tanyag ito sa kanyang sitio batik, Kalibatag Chronicles, chess pieces at paper sculpture. At nakapag-exhibit na rin ito sa loob at labas ng bansa.
Don have inspired children from 5 years old, K to 12, college students, college alumni, and professionals. In the cities of Tamawan International Arts Festival, he conducted an art demonstration where attendees are from outside and across the country. Once again this year, during the 8th International Festival, he shared his passion.
We attended the 4th Tamawan and it discussed about jewels of Cordillera. It's a great experience, especially that we did this one. I did this, it's a crown actually, but I don't know. how you can visualize it.
My name is Bernice Carrillo. I'm from UE Caloocan. Fine Arts alumni. Mahirap siya, pero nakaka-enjoy po. Saludo po kay sir. Thank you po.
Nandito po yung mga established artists natin at pati na rin yung mga kabataan natin or yung tinatawag nating mga young artists. Makita namin yung pagyabong ng sining at yung pagkatuto nila, yung pagkakaroon nila ng ibang experience dito sa Tamaawan. At kinatutuwa din po namin na nakilala namin si Don Rick. Kasi bago pa siya nakarating dito at gumawa ng kanyang workshop, mag-conduct ng workshop, kilala na namin siya sa Pampanga. So alam namin na magaling siya at ang passion niya talaga, may puso talaga siya.
Don Reich de Dios, a Filipino artist, compassionate and multi-awarded, someone we can truly be proud of as a Filipino. His team's intention is to help us all recognize and enrich our higher creativity. May we all live a more intentional life. We hope to meet with you as you travel near Central Luzon, Philippines. Please allow us to thank our friends and colleagues. Please subscribe to this channel. We will soon update you on this endeavor. Thank you very much.